Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video today I will show you how to manage your iCloud storage the right way so that your phone does not keep popping up iCloud storage full message. Now the first thing that you have to do is you have to check exactly how much of iCloud storage you are using. For that one, go to settings here, go to the name at the top here, go to iCloud, and this will show you how much of space you are using. Now you will get 5 GB of free space. Out of that you can see I have used 3.2 GB of space. Now if it is almost full for you, then I will show you how to clean it up. Now the first thing we will do is we will see what is taking up more space in iCloud. Now for that one, tap on this option see all next to saved to iCloud, and this will show you what items are taking up space in iCloud. And if you see, iCloud photos are taking up more space. So what you can do is you can go to iCloud photos and you can disable this option sync this iPhone if you are okay with just saving the phone to the iPhone's internal memory. Now if you have enough space in iCloud but want to save space in your iPhone, then you can select this option optimize iPhone storage. What does this do is this will save the low resolution format of audio and video in your iPhone and upload the higher resolution in the iCloud. Now go back, and you can also disable these applications if you don't want to sync their data to the iCloud so that you can get more space. Now let's go back and let's go to this option iCloud backup and wait for a few seconds and tap on this option iPhone. Now here you will be able to see which applications are uploading their data to the iCloud. You can select this option show all apps, and if you see, WhatsApp is uploading most of the data to the iCloud. So if you don't want any application to upload the data to the iCloud, just disable this option so that you can gain some more space in iCloud. Now again go back to this iCloud backup. Now here if you have backed up another iPhone to this same iCloud account, then you will see another device here also. So in that case, if you don't want that backup, you can delete it. For that one, you can simply tap on that device and then you can select this option turn off and delete from iCloud. In that way also you can gain more space in your iCloud. The other thing that you can do is you can log into your iCloud from the web browser or from a computer and go to the photos and videos, because photos and videos takes most of the space, and delete unnecessary photos and videos from the iCloud so that you can get more space. Now in case if it is absolutely necessary for you to upgrade the iCloud storage, then what you do is go to settings, go to the name at the top, go to iCloud and select this option upgrade to iCloud Plus. And here you will see different monthly installment plan like 50 GB, 200 GB, 2 terabytes. So select any of the option that is suitable for you and then you can upgrade to iCloud Plus. But this should be your last resort. Try to delete unnecessary from files and make space so that you can gain more space in iCloud for free. And that's how you can check and manage iCloud storage. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.